If a child is injured, for example, a baby can't say what has happened to them. All you get is the consequences of an injury to them. So, and those injuries may have led to death. And therefore, someone needs to tell us, to give us guidance, to give the court guidance about what has happened to that child to mean that there is a post-mortem being carried out on them. In a scenario where we don't know what's happened to a child because someone isn't telling us something, or what they tell us doesn't fit with the concerns that, for example, the state and the local authority have, the court needs to look to experts to try to unravel what has happened to that child in life by looking to see how they present in death. It's a really graphic example, but the best one I can give you to try to explain why experts are so important. So in that instance, you would have people such as neurosurgeons, neuropathologists, you'd have pathologists, you've had people who were experienced in examining the blood, the brain, the eyes, to try to understand what the body tells us about how that child has met their death. And they are essential to the court understanding what has happened, because it's those pieces of information that is put in the context, for example, of a parent's explanation, put in context of social work and community evidence to try to understand whether or not a child has met their death through benign causes and therefore the parents are entirely innocent of hurting them, or through an inflicted cause, in which case the parents really need to be answerable for their consequences, which may include the fact that a surviving child isn't safe to be placed in their care. So the court looks to experts to give them assistance on areas which no one else within the family division can advise them upon, and they are crucial.